Hello, everyone. This is Corolla with Yewno Discover. I'd like to do a search on smart cities. I've been reading a lot about smart cities lately, and I'm very curious about the implications on our privacy, on being observed, just where we are going with this. There's a lot of interest in smart cities by urban planners, transportation technologists, big data analysts, and AI technology companies like Yewno. So I want to know, what are they? Will we all be living in one someday? And what should we be concerned about? Let's take a look at Yewno Discover and find out. I typed in smart city, and we have our knowledge graph on the right-hand side. These are the top 25 results. We can make that a little bit bigger. We can take a look at what is it linked to? Sustainable city, collaborative intelligence, human-based computation. What else is there? Let's expand this topic. So now we have the principles of intelligent urbanism, collective intelligence, sharing economy, green computing, privacy by design. I like that, privacy by design. Let's take a look and see what that means. When you just hover over it, you see the different connections between smart city, privacy by design, and the other concepts that are linked within this particular knowledge graph. When I select that, it gives us a definition here on the left-hand side, and then we can expand the concept to add this to our knowledge map. And here now, we have an idea of what connects smart city and privacy by design. So we have the Echelon Corporation and how they connect with a contactless smart card, ultra-scale systems. But I'm interested in the Internet of Things. I read about that when I hear about smart cities. So let's take a look at the Internet of Things. And here's a couple of definitions here. It's a network comprised of physical objects capable of gathering and sharing electronic information. It uses a wide variety of smart devices from industrial machines that transmit data about the production process to sensors that track, etc., etc. So let's expand this concept as well and see what we get. Okay, so now we are connecting smart city, privacy by design, and the Internet of Things, and we can expand a little bit from there of what might be of use. First of all, I want to take a snapshot. I like this. I'm going to take a snapshot of that, and this snapshot has been saved over here in my journey. I can always go back to that. So what else have we got? We've got privacy laws. We've got mass surveillance, automatic number plate recognition. So that's all connected to privacy by design. When we come to Internet of Things, we have smart meter, ambient intelligence, the web of things, so many different connections, all worth pursuing. Going back to my search panel here, I want to type in a fourth thing. I want to type in surveillance. Here we go. Surveillance or mass surveillance. Let's see what we come up with here. So we've got our definition, and our knowledge graph has been expanded to include surveillance. So right here is a node that's of interest: surveillance issues in smart cities, and mass surveillance down here. So as you can see, you can really use Yewno Discover to do your research. Take a look at all the things that are connected to smart cities and get yourself informed. Thanks so much, and let me know if you have any questions at support at yewno.com. Thank